Hey everybody, it's Claire. Thanks so much for stopping by. Now that I've been a freelance makeup artist for a while, I figured why don't I share with you guys some of my favorite go-to outfits for when I go to do client work and do weddings. You guys seem to be enjoying my freelance makeup artist videos, so if you guys want to see more, let me know in the comment section below. But let's go ahead and get right into the outfit looks. Okay, so the first outfit I'm wearing, I wear a whole lot. Now the reason I love this is because it makes you look put together, which is like, I'm all about the put together game without trying too hard. So this top is from Target. It's just like a black and white kind of panel blouse shirt. I just unbutton a few times and I always tuck it in. It just looks a little more polished and put together. I sometimes wear a belt with it as well. Then the black denim that I have here is from Madewell, and I believe these are called the Roadtripper black denim jeans. I got these on sale, which is great. They're a little bit high-waisted, which I like. I am wearing these shoes from Ross that are my absolute obsession. They're loafers, and I got these for like $15. I couldn't believe it. I absolutely love the tassels, and I get so many compliments on them. This is one of my go-to outfits. If you've had me as a client, probably seen me wear this. Sometimes I'll wear this maybe with a skirt or these pants with something else. But yeah, this is the first makeup artist outfit that I always wear. Now the next one is like my most comfortable go-to makeup artist outfit, and it looks like one jumpsuit. This is actually a shirt, and then these are pants, and it's just a very, very kind of relaxed fit, and I just love that. It's almost like wearing sweatpants without, you know, with getting away with it. I got this top from TJ Maxx or Marshalls, I believe, and it's the brand Paper Crane. I actually loved it so much, and I thought it looked really expensive. This was a $12 shirt. Got it in white as well, and it just has that really nice kind of professional vibe to it. This is probably my favorite pants. I have two of them. That's how much of a freak I am with wearing them. The Tory Burch ballet flats, and I actually bought these off my friend while she was selling them, and I think I got them from her for literally $20, which is crazy. So this is my next one. I like to keep it really comfortable, but yeah, I absolutely love this look. It's one of my favorites and a go-to. For the next one, I thought I'd add a prop, and I have my brush belt with me so you guys can see like what it looks like with the outfit. It's not the most makeup artist friendly because it's white, but this is one of my all-time favorite blouses, and I think it's worth it to wear, you know, not just all black all the time. So this is from And Other Stories. It's one of my favorites, and it honestly goes with anything. You could do this with those black pants I showed you, the first one or the second one. And then I'm also wearing an And Other Stories. I'm really into the store right now, if you couldn't tell. It's actually just came to Georgetown in DC maybe last year, and I've been loving it. And it's just like this really fun midi full swing skirt, and I just think it gives a really like girly, almost like 60s vibe, which is really fun. And then you can wear them with the flats. Let me know which outfit is your favorite too in this video. I'd love to hear in the comment section below. Bringing you another very comfy outfit that's more appropriate for fall and winter time. It is funny because I do have a little bit of foundation here. I mean, how many shirts do you guys have like this? You just hide it, stick it back a little bit. This is just a really cozy, good fall and winter look that I wear a lot. So we're doing like a funnel neck sweater, and I like one that's a little bit long so I can wear it with my leggings, because I do like my cardigans and sweaters to cover the bootay. I have these awesome Spanx leggings. These are amazing. If you guys have seen them at Nordstrom, they're awesome. They have a little bit of shine to them, so they almost look like a faux leather or something. But this is from Topshop. I got it last year, and I wore it so much in the fall and winter. I love this. This is such a staple in my closet, especially for work. Just kind of gives a little bit of an edgier look. So, you know, rather than just wearing like plain black pants, it just kind of elevates it a little bit since it has that nice shine to it. These booties here, got these from, I think, Steve Madden. I got these from Nordstrom. They have a thick heel, so they're very comfortable, and I can stand in them for a while, or if I have just a few clients. Let me know what you guys think. This is option number 4. Okay, so the last outfit I have is this wrap dress. Now, if you know me, I live in a wrap dress. They are genius clothing pieces because they're so flattering. They're comfortable to wear. You can wear shapewear under them. You don't have to wear shapewear under them. You just kind of like feel like very put together without doing much. That is the name of the game for me. Makeup gets on it, it's okay. It's kind of easier to disguise. But I actually loved it so much that I got 2 other wrap print dresses. This one here, and then I have a pink one somewhere, but they're like a jersey material. They're amazing and just really flattering. The brand is Felicity and Coco, and I got it from Nordstrom. I like to, with dresses, to go with these flats. Again, they're super comfortable. I like to stay on the ground. So I just wanted to share a couple outfits that I put on rotation when I go do client work. I try to just stick to my few favorites. I don't feel the need to like go shopping all the time for work clothes, because I feel like if you have those key pieces, you can really rotate between a couple of them and really get a lot of outfit looks out of them. And just, you want to make sure they're functional. That's the most important thing. Of course, you want to reflect your style and your brand, but I've learned comfort is key, and also just making sure you can execute the job well is very important while looking cute. So I hope this inspires some of you out there. Let me know if you're a makeup artist in the comment section below. I'd love to hear if you're an aspiring makeup artist. If you want to see any more videos related to being a makeup artist in any sort of capacity, let me know in the comment section below what you'd want to see. I am totally listening and reading all your comments on what you guys want to see next, so don't be shy about it, and I can't wait to see you all in the next video. As always, take care. Bye.